कहते हैं प्यार तो फिर भी भूल जाओगे, जो आदत बन गए तो छुड़ा ना पाओगे. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor, and you're watching my very own channel Alkanand Clinic. Welcome to our Addiction De-Addiction series. Today's topic to talk about is overview on addiction. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press the bell icon now and stay notified. What is addiction? Addiction can be defined as an uncontrolled, compulsive act leading to mental or physical dependency. Years from now, addiction was only limited to drug substance abuse, such as alcohol, tobacco, opium, cannabis, etc. But with the upgrading lifestyle that we live, many activities and things fall under this category now. The most commonly seen addiction nowadays is of gadgets. It can be a phone, TV, PlayStation, etc. Then how do we analyze are we an addict or no? Simply by not taking it or doing it for a few days. If you can sustain without having any physical symptoms such as pains, palpitation, agitation, restlessness, or any psychological symptoms like anxiety and depression, then you are not an addict. But if you have any of these symptoms, then you can be stated as an addict. Addiction is a strong feeling of desire leading to temporary pleasures with long-term adverse effect on our mental and physical health. It is very important to preserve the healthy standards of living, for which we need to give up on our addiction. Addiction is a choice that we make. Likewise, de-addiction should be a choice that we take and not the merely left option to save our lives. Will and determination plays a very important and crucial role in de-addiction. Now, once you figure out if you are an addict, you need to start to get de-addiction. To start with, you should first fix a date and give yourself an approx period to get over your addiction. It is suggestive to start in the pattern of abstinence for 3 days, then for 7 days, then for 21 days, with leaving an interval of 1-2 weeks after achieving each target. In case if you experience any extreme physical symptoms which you aren't able to handle on your own, please seek professional help. Remember, it is very easy to form a habit but very difficult one to break one. It is a process and it will take time but will benefit you for your life. De-addiction does not mean not taking up the activity, thing or substance again. It means ending up the dependency, uncontrolled urge and craving for the habit. For example, a coffee addict will still enjoy a cup of coffee after de-addiction, but this time without any uncontrolled urge to stop. So this was a short brief about addiction and de-addiction. In my next video, I will be sharing few tips about de-addiction. So stay tuned till then. I hope you found this video useful. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, stay notified.